How to add reviews to Shopify from AliExpress. Quick and easy. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you guys exactly how step by step you can add reviews in the simplest and easiest ways directly to your Shopify store from AliExpress. So let's get into it. Now in this video, I am actually talking about products that you have imported off of AliExpress. So if you're dropshipping products from AliExpress and you also want to take the reviews and have those reviews that people have left on AliExpress to be shown on your website because they are about that product. And what you want to do is you're going to do a very simple import. Now, I previously have a video on how to import products from AliExpress to your Shopify store, so do check that out if you don't have products imported already. But now you're going to go into your Shopify store. I can show you guys my product. So this is my product over here, and if I go on to my view site, so if I view my online store, and I'll show you guys what the product is looking like. So this is the product. And if I scroll down over here, you can see there are no reviews. Now, I want to add reviews, and that can easily be imported because the original AliExpress listing, so this is the original listing, it has reviews. So a lot of people have reviewed this product. So I want to add these to my store. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to head on over back to my Shopify dashboard. Once you are in your Shopify dashboard, you can click on the bottom left over here, which is Add Apps. Now you can scroll down and click on Shopify App Store. And once you click on Shopify App Store, you're just going to search for Judge Me, or it is going to be a popular app as well. So it's just Judge Me Product Reviews. Now you're just going to click on Add Application. And this will ask you some permissions to obviously, access certain data as well. Now you can see Judge Me needs approval, so you're just going to make sure you're approving everything. So I'm just going to click on Install App. And once I have clicked on Install Apps, you will see this on the bottom left over here. So I'm just going to wait for this to be loaded up. It takes a couple of seconds to get started with, setting up all of your reviews or anything that you want to import. So we're making sure that it is getting imported into our Shopify store. Now, once I have added the Judge Me section, you can go on ahead and go into the home section. It has finally been loaded up. Now you have your widgets, you have import existing reviews. So you can import past reviews from other applications and e-commerce platform via CSV files. And you also have some other sections as well. You also have manage reviews. Then you have your request statuses, your email templates, your basic settings as well. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go into our home section and we want to import existing reviews. So you're just going to click on import reviews and then export your reviews from a previous app. Now you can choose the app that you were using and get a CSV file. So let's say I was using another application. So you can add the name of that previous app and add in additional information. To import your reviews, you can add the name of that application, or you can just go into your home section. Now you can see I have this product over here, which I have added to my, Shopify store. But if I go on to my section in my AliExpress store, you will be able to see there are so many different customer reviews. So to begin importing, what I can do is I can open the listing of the item that I have listed onto AliExpress. So what I'm going to do is now I'm just going to go back into my judgeme.com product reviews, and I can click on my review widget to begin building that, because in my online store currently I don't have a section for reviews beneath my products. I haven't added that, so I can add a widget specifically for that so customers can leave reviews. Now after I have created that, I'm going to go back into my app store. So I'm going to go back into the search bar and click on apps. Then I'm going to search for Judge Me once more, and this will open up the Shopify store again. And then I'm going to click on the Judge Me AliExpress reviews. So now I want to import from AliExpress after you have built your widget. If you don't want to build your widget, you can continue directly from here. You don't have to install the first version. But I do recommend applying a basic template and importing or creating a basic section where your actual customers can go on ahead and review your products, it is going to be a lot more helpful for you as well. So now I'm just waiting for this to be created, and now it's going to ask me for my Shopify account, which account I want to link it to, and I'm just going to select my Shopify store. So we're waiting for this to be applied. Now you can see judgeme.aliexpress has been added. Now I'm just going to wait for the application to begin functioning and to begin, being set up with our Shopify store, because obviously it is such a complex task that they have simplified, so it takes a little bit of time to get started with setting up. Now, once you have set everything up, you will see this section over here. So you're going to click on Import AliExpress Reviews, and you can add the URL of your AliExpress product. So I can just go on ahead and you can go back into your product section and paste it from there, but I'm just going to go directly into AliExpress. So let's say, yeah, this is the product that I had imported. So I want to import the reviews. So I'm just going to copy this URL from the top, and I'm going to go back into my Shopify. Then you can choose the import to your Shopify product. So you can enter the name of your Shopify product. So I'm just opening up this name and I'm going to copy and paste it over here. It just showed up anyway, so I didn't have to copy it. But once I've done that, you have the number of reviews you want to import. Let's say I only want to import 6 reviews, and you can add the rating filters as well. So let's say that I want a specific 4-star or 5-star reviews. Let's say I want to import 4 reviews that are 5-star, and then I also have country filters. So if you want to only import from a specific country, you can also do that. And reviews must have content, reviews must have pictures. So let's say I want picture reviews as well. So let's say I only want picture reviews that are 5-star, and I want 3 of those. And after that, I'm going to click on import reviews. And now the importing is in progress, so it usually shows up after 1 to 2 minutes. Now I'm just going to go on ahead and check on my Shopify store. So I'm going to open up the store and let's see if our reviews have been imported from AliExpress. So this is our product, and currently it hasn't been imported, so I'm gonna wait a couple of minutes and I'll get back to you guys. Now you can see over here, I waited like 2 minutes for everything to be imported, and these reviews have now been added to my Shopify store. So I have 3 reviews, 5-star reviews, and you can import multiple different types of reviews to make your store seem more legitimate and make your store seem like you've been in business in a while, and that actually establishes more trust. And the more trust you build with potential customers, the more likely that they are to come and shop from you and make larger purchases. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.